how can I kill holly bush stumps? I cut mine to the ground a few years ago, but shoots still grow from the roots. And this is from Matt in Germantown. Seems like this question always creeps up. If you want to kill those old stumps.
Yeah.
You want to jump in first, Ms. Joellen?
Yeah. I mean, it's nice that you cut the tree down, but yeah, there's a lot of carbohydrates you left in the ground that the tree is trying to live. So it's sending up shoots, and you just got to keep at it. Just keep cutting them, keep cutting them. Eventually, you'll get rid of the carbohydrate reserve in the ground, and you won't have the problem anymore. But you can't just, unless you actually dig it up, I don't know how else to.
Mr. D?
Yeah, I agree with that. Keep cutting it, we'll take care of it. Might speed the process up a little bit with a young new foliage, sprayed it with Roundup, glyphosate. That's a systemic herbicide, and that, if you continue to do that too, in addition to mowing it, that should do the trick fairly quickly.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.